different vision open up a brighter pattern. Foshan ACU Machinery Equipment Company Limited, founded in 2007, is a national high-tech enterprise integrating research and development, processing, manufacturing, and sales, specializing in the production and customization of all kinds of precision rails, code-formed profiles equipment, and non-standard automation customization equipment. ACU Machinery is located in China's advanced manufacturing production base, Foshan City, at the Guangdong Province. The development so far, the company has more than 5,000 square meters of modern standard production plant, more than 80 people design and manufacturing team. The production process in strict accordance with the International Quality Management System standards, with advanced CNC lathe, milling machines, internal and external grinding machines, welding machining centers, large bending machines, laser cutting machines, and other processing equipment. We continue to create a variety of professional, code-formed profile automation equipment. Innovation helps enterprises grow. The company has many years of operating history, strong strength, has strong R&D team, has accumulated a wealth of technical force and valuable experience. The development and production of cold rail forming equipment with fast speed, stable operation, high yield, easy operation, low power consumption advantages. With software equipment to provide customers with professional code-forming steel product design and engineering cost analysis, rail design, calculation, molding process simulation, customized various precision rails, all kinds of code-formed profile equipment, garage door complete equipment, and has hundreds of standard master parts to meet the needs of customers. At present, ACU, its main products cover C-type column beam forming machine, auto roof rail forming machine, steel structure house production line, welding pipe machine, corner column forming machine, wall panel forming machine, non-welded door frame production line, double door frame automatic production line, air valve, fire valve series, air duct automatic production line, and other more than 20 types of code-forming automation equipment. It can produce cold-rolled workpieces such as C-shaped steel in construction industry and electric cabinet industry, base channel steel of cooling tower, bracket, guide rail, keel, and other industries, and widely used in steel structure industry, vehicle industry, doors and windows industry, home appliance industry, elevator industry, cooling tower industry, light steel villa industry, building roof industry, electrical cabinet industry, can cover all sheet metal industry. Our products sell well all over the world. The export scale proportion 50%. ACU exported to Southeast Asia, Middle East, Africa, Europe, United States, etc., and regions, favored by domestic and foreign customers. ACU Machinery has always adhered to the integrity and fairness, abide by the contract, quality first, customer first business philosophy. After more than 30 years, many products have won a number of honors and certificates. The company's overall strength in the industry for a long time. With Huawei, BYD, Foxconn, China Construction 3rd Bureau, China Construction 8th Bureau, Luxin Industrial, Kukan Kagu, Green Down, Grad Group, Fuji Elevator, CG Electric Group, ThyssenKrupp, and many other well-known brand enterprises have reached a friendly cooperative relationship. With high-quality products, professional enthusiasm, and sincere service to provide customers with a full range of automation solutions, ACU Machinery has won the praise of customers. In the future, ACU Machinery will continue to strive for excellence and serve the society for the purpose of constantly improving management level and product quality, developing new products, seeking new areas, and moving forward to the international first-class enterprises with unity and striving attitude. ACU Machinery, sincere service customers, to provide high-quality integrated services for global customers.